Tawfiq from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
So, Sheikh, I don't know if I have urine incontinence, but most of the time after I urinate, I notice small drops of urine come out over 10 to 15 minutes. So I usually wait for a while, do istinja again, and then do my wudu. My question is, after urinating, can I put tissues in my underwear and immediately do wudu and pray?
This would open the Pandora box, and you will be putting yourself in huge OCD problems. Saying that after 10-15 minutes I notice a drop means that you keep on checking. This is not from the Sunnah. When you're sitting on the toilet seat or squatting to urinate, you urinate, there's no flow of urine, the urine stops, there is no drops coming out naturally. Nobody says stand up and sit, or jump, or squeeze your private part, or contract your muscle. Nothing is coming out naturally. Just damp the whole area with water, wash your private part with water. So even if a drop comes out, you won't be able to notice it because the whole area is wet. Sprinkle water on your underwear. This is the Sunnah. The Prophet used to do this every time he urinates. So now the area is damped. Lift your trousers and underwear and move. Oh, I feel something came out. Ignore it. But Sheikh, it's so compelling. Ignore it. Otherwise, you have only yourself to blame. I don't care if you keep on dripping whole day long and you keep on checking and you go into depression because of this. Because this is what's going to happen. And ask me, because I do this for a living. I give hundreds and thousands of counseling sessions to wackos who keep on insisting to go and check every 5 minutes, to put on tissues, then they put pads, then they put diapers. Oh, hello, what are you doing? Is this from Islam? People have been urinating since the time of Adam. Thousands and thousands of years, and nobody had this issue, except you. Why? Look at everybody else. Oh, they're not careful, Sheikh, they don't care. Their prayer is invalid. Ah, now you're judging others. So because they're not as wacko as you, so you start judging people. Oh, their clothes are impure, or there's this, there's that. No, this is not Islam. What you're doing is extreme. You don't have urine incontinence, which means that after you urinate, it stops. The urine in the passage of the private part is like the milk in the suckling mother's breast. If you squeeze it, it comes out. This is the nature of the passage. It has to be moisturized, it has to be wet, it has to have something in it. Otherwise, it would clog. And if you leave it, it stays. So don't open the door for shaitan, because the moment shaitan sees you opening the door a little bit, he'll put his foot, you won't be able to close the door again.